Hello, and welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to set up Wixpa Google Shopping Feed step by step on Shopify, and I'll also briefly tell you why we use it. Wixpa Google Shopping Feed helps you automatically sync your products to Google Merchant Center and run Google Shopping ads easily. Plus, it saves a lot of manual work and keeps your product data updated. So let's get started. First of all, we will install Wixpa Google Shopping Feed from the Shopify App Store. Then open the app. Now click on Let's Start to begin the setup. Next, connect your Google account, but make sure that your Google account already has a Google Merchant Center account created. Give access to Wixpa to manage your product listings accounts and list of sites and domains. Select all permissions here, because this access allows the app to properly sync your products, send data to Google, and manage your feed without errors. Select your Google account, then choose your Merchant Center store and click on Connect. After that, click on Continue. Now select your Shopify market. For example, I am selecting United States. Then in Channel Settings, choose your store type. If you are selling online, select Online. If you have a physical store, you can select Local. Next, configure your shipping settings. You can choose free shipping or manually configure shipping. And then click on Continue. Now we will create our product feed. Enter your feed name. Then select your product ID format according to your preference. I am selecting Global Format. Below that, in Source Management, you can choose All Products or Specific Collections or even exclude collections. Here I am selecting All Products. Next, set your inventory management. I am selecting Shopify Inventory Policy. Now you can configure product title, product description, variant submission, and other settings according to your needs. You can also select Google Product Category. I am going with Default. Then select Age Group. I am selecting Adult. After that, select Gender, and then choose Product Condition, whether it is new or refurbished. Now we have UTM branding parameters. This is used for tracking your traffic and campaign performance in tools like Google Analytics. It helps you understand where your visitors are coming from and how your ads are performing. This step is optional, so you can configure it if needed. Once everything is done, click on Finish. After syncing, your Google Shopping Feed is ready. You can view all your products here. They may show as pending initially, and after some time, Google will review and approve them. From here, you can add new products, edit existing ones, or even do bulk editing by selecting multiple products. And that's it. Your Wixpa Google Shopping Feed setup on Shopify is complete. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.